Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am ABENA and today you're welcome to my channel. So I'm back again with another video. So today I'm doing a video on bright sunset makeup tutorial. So I'm going in for my pink shade. So the next step, I'm going in for my another pink shade, but this one is deeper than the other one. So for my cut crease, I'm using jumbo pencil. So I'm going in for my orange shade. So the next step, I'm going in for my yellow shade. Making sure everything is okay. So now I'm blending both eyeshadow. So the next step is my eyeliner from Wet n Wild. So I apply some eyelashes. I'm going in for my primer from City Color. So I'm going in for my foundation from LA Pro Coverage. So the next, I'm going in for my favorite face powder from Beyond Beauty. So I'm going in for my mascara. And my lip liner. I'm going in for my Milani baked bronzer. So I want some highlights. I'm highlighting my eyeshadow. Ooh. So now I'm applying my highlighter on my cheeks. Ooh. Ooh. Your girl needs some highlights. Ooh. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you are new here, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, like, comment about this look. If you are feeling it, let me know what you think. If you're not, let me know what you think. But guys, for me, I'm slaying this look. So if you don't agree with me, let me know. If you agree with me, comment on the comment section and let me know what you think. And guys, be positive, stay beautiful. I'll see you guys next time. Kisses, guys. Bye.